Now I gotta ride or die.
Hey guys, today I am changing the air filter on my Audi A3 8L. The air filter box is held by 2 screws here and there. So start by unscrewing those 2 screws. Then you can try lifting the air box up. To make this job easier, remove this clamp. And also you can remove the air mass sensor, but I am not going to. Use tongue pliers to remove the clamp. Now remove the air hose from the air box. Once the hose is removed, you can try removing the top cover. You can see how dirty this air filter is, so let's replace it with a new one. Just put the new one in and make sure that the sides of the filter are a snug fit in the air box. Push in the sides. Put the air box cover back in place. Firstly, put the left side cover hooks in their slots. You will have to tilt the cover a bit to put it back in place. It's quite hard to do it with one hand, so I did it off camera. Once the cover is in place, put the air hose back on. You can screw the bolts in to make sure that the over stays on. The last thing to do is put the clamp back in place and the job is done. Again, squeeze the clamp with tongue pliers and drag the clamp in place. I didn't put it correctly the first time, because I was using only one hand. I tried once more and it is in place, like it was before. The job is done. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.